we haven't even touched on Morgan. Is that something that we're still waiting to roll out to the full people, or how does that fit in the future of how we get a loan, upload it, and get it through from pre-app to funding?
Yes. So Morgan is the next generation virtual assist. Morgan is a whole bunch of AI technology encapsulated into virtual assist, and now we get Morgan. Morgan is available now for you to use, but it's still what we call beta. We're still testing. There's still some bugs to be worked out through it. So I would love it for you guys to test it, to be one of the testers. It's easy to access. To access Morgan, all you do is on your cell phone or your laptop, go into your web browser, and you just simply type in Morgan, MORGAN .swmc.com, and you just follow the instructions, and it's very intuitive. We have loan officers, big producers, that all they ever do is use either Morgan or virtual assist. They don't touch anything else in the system.
They don't even log into SMLS.
They don't log in anywhere else.
And you're saying those are big producers too?
Those are, yes. Like there's, if you go on our YouTube channel, Sunwest YouTube channel, you'll see their videos. They're talking about it. And you just scroll through it, and one of our top producers, his name is Victor Acevedo out of New York. He closed 40 million last month. This month's goal is 50 million.
That's a good month.
Yes, and that's just one loan officer, just by himself. And it's him. He's got I think 2 or 3 loan coordinators in Puerto Rico, because he does all Hispanic loans. And Morgan. That's it.
That's amazing.
He submits all his conditions into it. And the guy doesn't sleep. He's so funny. You watch his videos, you crack up and you listen to him.
No, I've watched his videos. In fact, I actually spoke to him on the phone before coming aboard. Fantastic guy, and just to know that he's able to do, guys, if one person can do 40 million, Christina, that should make you really excited as your license hits, because you're gonna have a lot of leads to funnel through. And Kelvin, exciting for you too. Matt, same for you in the Northwest. It's really could be something special for everybody.
Yeah, so the way he operates is he just has Morgan up, and as the documents come in, he just puts it into Morgan, right? Or if he has a concern, he just asks Morgan, right? What's happening with this? Why isn't this VOE back, or whatever? And it's just like, that's it.
Yeah.
He doesn't mess around with anything else. When he sits with the borrower, takes their application, right? He gets there. All he does is he spends 5 minutes with them, gets their documentation, explains the loan program, gets the documentation, puts it in Morgan, and work on the next one.
Amazing.
Morgan, go set it up, right? And remember, our guarantee is 59 minutes. So the whole loan is set up, everything is split, all the documents are split, tagged, everything, all the data is scraped, KVER's run, case number portal, everything's all set up, right? And within 59 minutes, he's got his disclosures back and ready to go out to the borrower. Now, I'll tell you another success story of Morgan. Our top producer in Puerto Rico, Deanna Montoya, and you'll see there's a video or 2 on our YouTube channel from her. And she closes like 30 or 40 loans a month. Unfortunately, in Puerto Rico, the average loan amount is 100,000.
Yeah.
So that only amounts to like 3 million, right? But it's a lot of loans. And she said that we hadn't really marketed Morgan in Puerto Rico or virtual assist, and she just sort of stumbled onto it, 6 to 8 months ago, and she started using it. And then she's like, ever since I started using it, my production doubled.
Wow.
Because everything she's like what I was waiting and having my assistant do, and waiting for this, waiting for that, right? I just told Morgan to do it. And then her assistant focused on helping her get more business in.
So it really sounds to me, Pavan, like in the traditional retail model, right? Everybody's always clamoring if they've got good work ethic and they really want to grow a business as an LO, right? There's also LOs that are lazy and they want to do 5 loans and that's it, right? That's not really where we want to go. But the LOs that are clamoring to grow their business in traditional models, they've always are, I got to go get this next LOA. I got to grow enough to get the second LOA. I got to go get the core philosophy of I need to have an LP1, an LP2, and I got to have this marketing person. What you've built here essentially provides all of that support without having to go train somebody, go find somebody, go defend them from being recruited to somebody else, protect against them getting their license and taking half of your referral partners away. All the things, all the pitfalls that could come from the traditional type team building LO model is fulfilled with virtual assistant and Morgan is what
Exactly.
is really what I'm hearing you say, which is kind of exciting. Should be really exciting for you guys as we launch in here and get to work.
Yeah. I mean, what my value proposition to you is, I take away that whole personnel management aspect of it. Right? You can focus on what you do best, which is build relationships and maintain your book of business, and that book of business is yours. No one has to, you don't have to worry about someone stealing it from you.
It's good.
Yeah. So, and you literally, because there's this whole machine behind you, right? If your volume grows, you don't have to worry about, oh, I don't have enough processing support. I don't have enough LOAs or whatever. You can add as much as you want into this, and the resources are all dynamic and automatically assigned to you.
It's great.
Right? So you go from doing 20 loans to 200 loans. Now you need, 3, 4 LOAs, right? It's automatic, you get them, and they're all bilingual. Our entire loan coordinator machine is in Puerto Rico for that reason. Everybody needs bilingual support.
Yeah, that's awesome.